Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add another account on Snapchat. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Snapchat. Make sure you have already downloaded Snapchat on your device. When you tap on Snapchat, it will show you this kind of interface. So here on top left corner you can see profile icon. Tap on it and it will navigate you to this interface. This is profile page, and now tap on setting icon that is located on top right corner. When you tap on it, it will navigate you to this interface. So here scroll down until you find logout option. So here it is, tap on logout. Now you can verify email or just tap on not now and again tap on logout. So you have successfully logged out. Now use other account to add another account on your Snapchat. Now add username and password and then tap on login. So in this way you can add another account on Snapchat. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.